Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I'm actually going to cosmetology school and I'm actually also working, so it's kind of a lot on my plate right now and YouTube is just not at the top of the list, but hopefully that changes, which it probably won't, but I hope it does because I love doing YouTube videos even though no one watches my videos, but still I just love to film. Anyway, we're gonna get right to the fun part, which is this package that I received from Influenster, and it is from Mercier, so it's really exciting stuff. But when I saw it and I opened it, I was like, this is too good to be true, because they sent hella products, okay? They sent me the primer. Their tinted moisturizer, and they also sent me their highlighter. I got all of these things for free. I have no idea how I was blessed like this, but I just... blessings on blessings, dude. Like, that's too good to be true. Sometimes I think that they send either fake products or they send old ass products, but either way I'm happy to receive them. Thank you, Influencer, because I would have had to pay for it if I wanted to try it, but thanks to Influencer and Mercier I don't have to buy it, so shout out to you guys. But yeah, anyway, it comes with this little card inside the box. On the card it says, "Congratulations, as a beauty insider you have been selected to discover some of Mercier's essentials for that perfect summer no makeup look." So that's what I'm going to be doing today, a no makeup look, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm really bad at doing a no makeup looks, just because I always say I'm going to do a no makeup look and then bam, it's like full glam, freaking cut crease, hella highlight, you know, bold lips. So I'm really going to try to do the no makeup look today using these products, so I'm really excited to try this because I've never tried their tinted moisturizer, so let's give it a go. So my stepdad just got home, so if I sound a little bit awkward, it's because I low-key don't want him to hear me talking to myself, so yeah. So I'm going to start off by applying the primer that Mercier and Influencer sent to me, and probably to lots of other people, but that's okay. On the back of this primer it says, "Foundation primer is a lightweight, water-based, vitamin-rich gel that creates the perfect canvas for makeup application." And I'm gonna see how much this retails for because I'm pretty sure it's expensive. So their primer retails for $38, which is obviously really pricey, but honestly that's just high-end shit for you, so let's give this a try. I really hope that it somewhat mattifies my face because from the description it seems more like a moisturizer, and it actually kind of looks like it. Oh, and it's pink. It's like a light pink color, so it does feel very gel-like. I'm hoping that this product at least covers up some of the pores, or at least keeps me matte because I don't like looking dewy. Okay, so it gives me a dewy look. It does feel very hydrating. And before I move on, I do want to read a little bit about this product on Sephora.com. It says, Mercier Foundation Primer creates a smooth, invisible layer that acts as a buffer to outside elements and expertly holds foundation. This water-based formula guarantees that your makeup stays fresh and color true for hours. With vitamins A, C, and E added to protect the skin, foundation primer is ideal for all skin types. Okay, so it doesn't say anything about like smoothing pores or fine wrinkles. If you are going for a no makeup look and you still are worried about like pores showing, I would definitely layer something on top of this primer, just because it's not for covering your pores or for fine wrinkles or for staying matte. It's just kind of to act as a buffer for your foundation and for the elements outside. I would probably recommend putting this underneath your actual primer, but just for the sake of this video, I'm going to move straight into the tinted moisturizer from Mercier, and they sent me the shade Tan, which is 5W1. I'm not sure how the shade is gonna look on myself, so I'm really nervous. And this retails for $45. So it's kind of the same price as a high-end foundation. I don't know how I feel about that, but you know, this could be the best shit ever. Ooh. I'm just gonna dot this over my face. Oh, it smells really good. It smells clean, fresh. I feel like I should be on a vacation right now. looks really orange. Oh, it just looks so dewy. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this. In the mirror, it looks like it's the same color, but for some reason I feel so weird. I think it's because it looks dewy, and I'm just not used to it looking dewy. I'm always just used to it looking matte. So I think that's why it's kind of throwing me off a little bit. I'm like, oh god. What's going on? So far, actually, the color match is really, really good, considering that I had to choose it online from Influenster when they sent me the survey. So I think that I did a pretty good job. And I think Influencer did a pretty good job in sending me the right shade. Initially, I like to look matte for at least the first couple of hours, so I am going to set this, but before I set this, I'm going to do some concealer, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I did my concealer and my brows off camera. I already feel like this is not a no makeup look just because I had to do brows. Like, I cannot not do brows. Anyway, while I was doing my concealer and my brows, I noticed that the foundation dries more to a satin finish, which I actually, you know, I don't mind it, but I'm still gonna set it just because I still want to look matte, and right now obviously it is summertime here in the US, so if I leave it like this throughout the day, I'm just gonna get even more dewy. Anyway, I'm just gonna set my face using my Dermablend loose powder, and I really love this stuff. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender to set it, and then whatever's excess on my sponge, I tap it onto my hand. Oh, whip that hair back. And I'm just gonna set my whole face. Now that I've set my foundation, I'm going to go in with a little bit of bronzer. I'm not going to go too heavy just so that we can kind of keep in that no makeup look. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Hoola Benefit bronzer. And I like this one because it's not too dark, so I feel like it's perfect for the no makeup look. I feel like I've said the no makeup look like 50 times in this video. Now that I'm done with my bronzer, I'm going to apply a little bit of my mascara, which I'm using the Rocket from Maybelline? Maybelline? Yeah, Maybelline. Oh my god. Okay, I'm not going to put very much mascara on my lower lashes. I'm just going to coat them very lightly. Now for the final touch, I'm going to use Laura Mercier's Face Illuminator in the shade Indiscretion. So I'm really excited to use this on my face. I actually swatched it. I just couldn't contain myself, but this is what the packaging looks like. And holy fuck! That's so beautiful, like, so good. I'm gonna use my Anastacio A23 brush. This is just their highlighting brush. Ooh, it's very natural, which I like that. I don't know if you can see it on camera. I'm not gonna put too much today just because I don't want everything else to be super natural looking, and then bam, you see like a blinding ass highlight. Like, I'm just gonna do it very subtle, you know? I'm not going to put highlight anywhere else just because I know that this is probably not going to last this matte, so I'm just going to leave it how it is. I'm going to set my face using my MAC Fix Plus. Ooh, yes, feels so good. I'm taking this opportunity to try a lipstick that I've never tried before, which is my Aesthetica lipstick and lip gloss all in one, and this is in the shade Sweet. Funny story, I actually won this on an Instagram. Well, from their Instagram I won this, so that was pretty exciting stuff, you know? So it's about time that I used it, and I hope that this looks good on me because I don't really know. We're gonna try it. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna try their lip gloss on top. Oh my god, it's too late. I'm lost for words right now. I can't do it. I can't. can't do it. Since that lipstick didn't work out, I'm just gonna opt for a lip gloss just because it is a little bit more natural. So I'm gonna use my Dolce Vita lip gloss from NARS, and this was actually my very first NARS lip gloss and I freaking love it. Okay. Yes, give me that rose mauve vibe. Alright guys, this is the final look. I actually really like how the foundation is staying on right now. Of course, we're gonna have to see throughout the day and see how it wears, see if it cracks, see if it gets too oily to the point that it's like you can only wear it for a couple of hours, so we don't see about all of that. I really like how the foundation reacted with my powder just because it didn't do anything funky, like, I don't know, it didn't like crack or anything, so I really like how it turned out. The powder kind of made my face a little bit whiter, but I'm not even mad at that just because I felt like the foundation was just a tad darker than my skin tone, but honestly, like, it wasn't even that noticeable, so look at that. Like, it's so good. But yeah, I'm actually really living for these two things. I'm not too sure about the primer. I think I would still layer it, maybe just on my T-zone, but I actually really like this primer because you can also use it as a moisturizer, so if you wanted to, you could add this, and then on your T-zone just kind of apply a more extra mattifying primer and then go in with the tinted moisturizer. But we will see in a couple of hours. I'll check in with you guys around 8:39 just because I'm gonna go to work, and at my work I hella sweat, so we're gonna see how this shit holds up. I'm hoping it holds up pretty well. Honestly, the highlight, I love it. It was like love at first sight, so honestly there's no complaints on this. I really like it. Obviously if you're opting more for a blinding highlight, this highlight will not work for you, so yeah, I really like it because it's natural, so it's natural. That's all I have to say. Thanks again to Influenster for sending me this care package. I really enjoyed it, and yeah, thanks so much, and thanks to all the new subscribers and to the old subscribers that have stayed with me. Yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Bye! Hi guys, I'm back. It is now 9:30. I last was on here at 12:40, so it's been a couple of hours. I definitely sweat a lot, so I'm actually surprised that it stayed on. I don't know how I feel about the concealer with the foundation, just because I feel like the concealer is super full coverage and the foundation is kind of just like a medium coverage, so it kind of clashes a little bit after a few hours of wear. Next time I would just use a different concealer, but other than that, it stayed on, like, holy crap. So yeah, that's just my updates on how the foundation wore out through the day. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. The button is down below and it is free. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye! So, I actually really... I feel like I still look so white. But in person it doesn't look that bad, you know? It's like white, tan. Hoy me levanté contento y me levanté feliz, aunque dicen por ahí que están hablando de mí. Ey.
Hoy me levanté contento y me levanté feliz, aunque dicen por ahí que están hablando de mí. Ey. Joda que se joda, ey, ey, joda que se joda.